In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove or replace a brass valve. Okay, we're going to begin with making sure the water is off. So we're going to shut the water off to the valve. So right here. All right, so now we had no water in that valve. So we'll proceed to remove it and replace it. Just going to replace one so you know how that's done. All right. I'm gonna start with that anti-cipher cover, which is this right here. Try to hold this in place with the other hand so it won't move or break. There you go. All right, so we remove this completely. Please sit down here. All right, so then grab it from right here. Try to hold this in place. Sometimes it's really tight, and in a lot of cases I have to use something like this to hold it in place when it's like really tight. So I hold it in place like this so it won't move. If you don't have anything like this and the valve that you have doesn't look like it's that tight, you can use your hands. So I won't use this because this valve might not be that tight. So I'm just gonna hold it in place like this. All right, like that. All right. Okay, we're bringing the new valve. Make sure this valve has this gasket installed. This goes first, and after you install the anti-cipher cover, which is this. So we'll go after. Now we install the anti-cipher cover. It has like a little floater. It's right here, so this has to be inside. It has to be facing this. It has to be like this, not like that. It has to be this one, like that. And this has to go in here. Or you can put it like, it won't fit if you go like that, so this has to go first. I will proceed to tighten this up. Like I said, hold this tight. Don't have to be really, you don't have to tighten this really hard. I mean, just enough. All right, so that'll do it. I'm gonna turn the water back on. We'll see if it's any leak. All right, so the water's back on. Doesn't seem like it's any leak. All right, so if the cylinder is still in good condition, you can still use the same one and keep the other one for the future. All right, so connect that back. All right, so that's the way you replace an actuator or brass valve. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.